Hey guys, it's Maiah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting because it's going to be like my very first makeup tutorial, which I'm really excited for. I've done like a get ready with me video before, but I mean today I'm actually going to be like doing a full-on makeup tutorial. So it's going to be a really nice dewy natural looking makeup. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. I'm really excited to go ahead and get started. Definitely not doing my best. I've seen better days.
Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal. Although you got buku family.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm definitely looking riggedy raggedy right now. Like, this is not a look. This is not, like, honestly, this is not trying to look like this anymore. So I'm going to start off with priming my face, basically. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, actually, but like I'm using it as like a primer too, and this works really well. Also, I have like the mini size, so that's why it looks so tiny. I have like a little trial, which honestly I like this, so I might end up buying the full size. Also, please excuse my nails, they're chipped. I just haven't had a chance to take them off, and I really wanted to film this video before it got dark out, so you know they're not gonna be looking their best either. That's okay though. I'm kind of letting my face dry. And now that is basically for the most part dry, I'm going to be going in with my foundation, or really my, not even a foundation, this is just the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and I'm going to be going ahead and blending this all over my face with one of these like fun round brushes. I'm looking like a hairbrush, so I'm going to be using that. I honestly, guys, I just put like a little bit on here. So I put this on the brush and start from looking like down a lot. I'm just looking at the mirror. It's down here. And I honestly just kind of pat this. Oh, frick. Why did I do this? I'm just gonna pat this all over my skin. However, I am totally dummy because I just played myself because I actually like to go ahead and color correct. I don't know why I didn't color correct before, but you know, that's okay. This is, you know, just a quick little chit chat. I'm not a makeup artist at all. So I'm actually going to be going in with my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. I'm using the second shade. This is the deep Contour Cream Kit. I'm using the second shade, which is called Coral, on this flat little concealer brush. Also, you guys, I just washed my brushes, and I just like don't want to use them. It's almost like, I don't know, it's like they're just so clean. So I don't ever want to get them dirty again, you know what I mean? So I'm like, ooh. I'm looking at two mirrors, so I might be looking all over the place, but I'm sorry. So I'm just going in and I'm just kind of putting this all over any of my dark spots. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to go in for my brows. This is kind of like what I usually do, is I go in and do my brows after my face makeup. Okay, so then, sorry about that, I had to go get my brow spoolie. For my brows, I actually use the L'Oreal Kabuki, like the Kabuki brush eyebrow pencil thing. I honestly, am not gonna lie, it's not my favorite. Would I recommend it? That's questionable. Honestly, just because, like, I don't know, it's just not my favorite. I don't see how people like actually use it. It's supposed to be for like a natural, like basically natural, like bushy kind of looking brows. So if you're like going for that, or going for like that boy brow kind of look, then like this product is probably definitely gonna like it, because first of all, the like actual product is like this dummy chubby stick. Like, do you guys kind of see that, like that huge chubby stick? And then like the other side is like this little kabuki. Like, what am I gonna do with a kabuki brush for my eyebrows? Like, I don't get that. However, the whole reason I even have this is because my mom actually got it and then like did not like it at all, and it was just too dark for her, the color. So I go in and I use it, and I just use this angled like eyeliner brush, and I apply it and just kind of shape my brows to my liking. I do like the actual like brow product though. I think it works really, really well. It's like not too soft to where it's just gonna like melt off your face in 2 seconds. So I do like that about it. After filling in the brows, I then like to go ahead and spoolie them back out just to kind of make them look a little more natural, and it just helps like blend the product into my brows. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm going to go ahead and just clean them up a little bit. I usually do this like especially when my brows are like in between getting done. Like right now they're a little messy, like I need to get them done, so I use that same concealer brush I used to color correct, and I use the other side of it so I don't get like that orange color. I go in back into my Anastasia contour cream kit, and I use the nude, the color nude right there on it, and I just go ahead and I just literally just go right under my brows and clean them up. And one thing that I do with my brows is I just go ahead and I just take it kind of to the ends of the brow. I don't go all the way on top though, just personally because I don't really like that look. And I just use my ring finger to blend that in. Okay, so now my brows are done, and I'm going to go in back into the face makeup, and I'm going to go ahead and give my face, go ahead and like highlight my face. I'm not going to contour just because honestly I don't contour all the time. I just don't really like to contour unless I do like a full on face makeup. But for like these glowy dewy look, I like to kind of keep looking like I have at least the least amount of face makeup on as possible. Like I said, so kind of like your skin is still shining through. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to, getting that nude color from the Anastasia cream contour kit, and I'm just doing these triangles underneath my eye with just this flat foundation brush. I just go right in the middle of my nose. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with just a smaller version of my foundation brush, just a tint smaller. It's one of those like round brushes, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend out. So literally we're almost done. This makeup look literally takes like 2 seconds. So now I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's now time for lashes. I love doing lashes on a really natural look. I don't know, just definitely amps up your look and it just looks really pretty and natural. So I'm going to be going in with the Sephora Collection Hipster number 20. Okay, so now the lashes are on, and I'm not the very best at applying lashes, honestly. So this is like a little tip that I found that helps your lashes just stay on a lot better. And if like you're not the very best at applying them, this definitely helps you. I think this definitely helped a lot. So what you do is you just get an eyelash curler. Once your lashes have had time to like set, basically just to dry a little bit longer, all you want to do is you're going to take your eyelash curler. But you're going to move closer to the camera. You're going to take your eyelash curler and you're just going to go ahead and just act like you're curling your lashes. You want to get all the way to the root of your lashes, basically where you put the glue, and you're just going to kind of press. Just like curl your lashes like normal, press down really hard, and that just like binds the glue to your lashes. That way it just stays a little bit better. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and like I can kind of tell I should have put more glue on this side, but like I've been wearing it all day, so. Alright, so my bottom mascara is on. I just use like this Clinique mascara. You can use really any mascara because just for bottom lashes, so I mean you don't have to go crazy with it or anything. So now that our makeup is basically done, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use a little bit more of that setting spray. While it is still wet, while it is still setting, I'm going to go ahead and do your highlight. So I'm using this little small blush brush for my highlight, and I'm using the Becca Champagne Splits highlight. And I'm going to go in, just go ahead and highlight. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one.
Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal. Although you got buku family, you don't even got nobody being honest with you.